Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. I hope everyone is doing well on this Monday. You guys, I just wanted to bring you guys a little clip on what's happening in the homestead, and everything is exploding. You guys, we are finally getting this much needed rain and everything is looking so lush. The trellis area is filling up with cucumbers and grapes and watermelons, and as y'all can see, that keyhole area is loaded, you guys. So my harvest will probably be continuing for the next 3 to 4 weeks in that area until nature take its course with those critters. But it's looking beautiful out there. I see a lot of my scallop squash coming in, and over there on the far right, I'm finally seeing some of my okra seeds, which I'm gonna throw some more out in that area. And my potatoes is coming up. I did not held up my potatoes because I've been so busy with other things. I'm gonna just let them do what they want to do. And my fire rings, they're doing well over there. We still have the celery that's doing well. The Brussels sprouts are doing well over there. And as you can see, my begonias and my pot on the top of my appliance washing machine pedestal. And we are loaded over here with tomatoes. And you guys, I don't know why I put those beans in the inside, that middle area, because it's gonna be hard to harvest those beans in the inside. And over there in our watermelon little patch raised bed, the watermelon is sprawling out. I love to see the watermelon sprawl out and go into the greenhouse area. All the peppers are blossoming and producing fruit. My moringa trees are exploding. And also, you guys, my pineapples and those red and orange green pots over there are sprouting up. I'm so excited to see them. And I also learned that you can actually split your pineapples. So I might try that method, or I might let them just do what they need to do because they are recuperating from the winter being in the greenhouse. So I might just let them do what they doing. But I'm gonna bring you guys a close-up so you could see how they are sprouting up the new leaves. And that raised bed over there that has cucumbers and peppers in it is doing well. The yams back there is doing well. The yams up front in these black bags. The onions, y'all see the onions right there? Oh man. And my blue container part of the garden, they are doing so well, especially the tomato seeds that I had sowed after the frost. I probably put about, I think I have like 12 tomato plants in one bucket. And I tell you, I'm really excited about the buckets because I sold all of those by seeds. The other ones in the raised beds was transplants. So I just wanted to try that method and sow some seeds outside just to see how well tomato plants would do without hardening them off. And so far, so good, you guys. So this is what it's looking like. And let's see what else. Oh, I forgot to bring you guys updates on my strawberry patch, which I have one plant that is sending out runners galore, and I've been sticking them in that soil so they can multiply. That one plant is not giving me fruit, but the other plants are. And y'all know once it gets really hot, you know, the strawberry season kind of fades out. But I've been tickled pink just being able to go and get a handful of tomatoes every day. So I definitely needed to bring you guys a close-up of that. But I just wanted to bring you guys a little close-up, and we're gonna actually pan around over here, you guys, because I want you guys to see what the refrigerator raised bed is looking like, you guys. Y'all see that over there? It is doing its thing. And I'm excited to see that trellis up, all the vines, as well as over here at the new raised bed trellis area. Everything is doing well. I'm glad I did take the time to cover up some of my plants that was getting bitten off. The tops was getting bitten off by nature at night. So I took some of my shade cloth and covered them up, and that's helped them. So they should be trellising up this week. We got a lot of rain in the forecast for this week, and I'm super excited about that because, like I said, We did not get that spring rain the way we normally do. So everything is looking really well. But you guys, this video is actually about the flower pots. They are done. They look so beautiful, and I know you guys have been waiting to see them. So hold on, you guys. There they are, you guys, and I'm telling you, these things came out beautiful. That big blue pot, oh my gosh, it came out so nice. And this red one, when I tell you that red one is super thick, it's super heavy, because it is smaller, so I was able to do a lot of overlapping with the towel. Now the blue one, it is very durable. It's not as heavy as this red one, but it is heavy. And it just came out, oh, I love it. I'm gonna try to get to some more of these because I still have some space to fill on my deck. I mean, not the deck, the front porch. And I still have some coasters, some plant coasters that I can sit some pots on in the front. And maybe I may attempt to buy some more flowers, some different flowers other than begonias. Now, what I wanted to explain to you guys about the little blue pot, when you are making your flower pots, do not, all right, SEK note, do not use glass, okay? I had the hardest time because I did not put the plastic over the glass, so it was hard to get out. What saved me is that it wasn't fully dry, so it was somewhat pliable to where I can push down to get the jar out. So I don't recommend using glass. Do not use glass, all right? Safety, safety, safety. Gloves, mask, and some goggles, okay, family? So when you are using your molds, make sure you put like a garbage bag or a shopping plastic bag over that mold so it'll make it easier for it to come out. The rest of them was easy to come out, especially that blue one. My garbage can slid right on out of it. So I did drill some holes in at the bottom. Queen Erica, there is a possibility that they may crack, so you want to use a smaller bit on them. Don't use anything too big that's gonna crack them up. But what stops them from cracking is that you got to remember the whole pot is not cement, so that helps. Now if the whole pot was just cement, I would worry about it cracking, but being that it is saturated with. Okay, you guys, I am back. I did cut off and hit that button by accident. So again, when you are drilling your holes, just take your time. Don't use a huge bit. If you want to cut your holes before you place your fabric or whatever you choose to use, whatever fabric, whether it be towels. I love towels because towels make them more durable. I ran out of paint, so I did not get to paint my shorts. But I also wanted to share with you guys, the shorts that I used was not jeans. So yes, Oscar, they look a little bit thin. So what I'm gonna do is dip those again in some cement to get them a little bit thicker. And also the paint helps a lot when you put multiple layers of paint. If you want to use a gloss on top of that, that will help protect it even more. So I did about 3 layers of paint, and then I did a gloss over it, but you can always buy a paint that has a primer and gloss in it already. So you guys, get to making you some Portland, beautiful Portland cement pots, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing more as the cool weather comes in, because you definitely don't want to be doing this too much in the heat, especially on a deck where you get a lot of sun. So use wisdom when you make them, because it can be a little bit overwhelming when you're out in the heat doing this. So I would say make these when it's like maybe between 60 and 75 degrees when the weather is comfortable. All right, family. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining in. Now go make you some Portland cement beautiful flower pots. This is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.